as we navigate this ever-evolving landscape of coffee culture.
Section 5. The Future Cafe. AI. Barista at your service. So, what does this all mean for the future of our coffee shops? As technology advances, the way we experience our daily coffee rituals is bound to change. Are we all going to be served by robot baristas from now on? Will the human touch be completely replaced by machines? Well, it's hard to say for sure. The future is unpredictable, and the coffee industry is no exception. Maybe we'll see a blend of both worlds, a harmonious coexistence where human creativity meets robotic efficiency. Imagine walking into a coffee shop where you can choose between a human barista or an AI barista, each option offering a unique experience tailored to your needs. Maybe you're craving that human connection and some fancy latte art, the warmth of a smile, and the artistry of a handcrafted beverage. Or maybe you're short on time and just need a quick, perfectly brewed cup. The precision and speed of an AI barista can be a lifesaver. The choice is yours, and the future of coffee is looking exciting.
Section 6. Finding the flavor balance AI and the human touch. Listen, I love technology as much as the next person. It's incredible how far we've come with AI and automation. But when it comes to coffee, there's something truly special about that human touch. The artistry, the passion, the dedication that a barista brings to each cup. The friendly smile, the personalized recommendations, the little chat while your coffee brews. These moments create a connection, a sense of community. Maybe AI can make the perfect cup of coffee, but it can't replace the heart and soul a human barista brings to the coffee shop. The stories shared, the memories made, the human element that makes each visit unique. In the end, I think the future of coffee is all about finding the right balance, embracing technology to enhance efficiency and consistency, while preserving the human touch that makes coffee culture so rich and vibrant. A world where technology and tradition can coexist, creating a coffee experience that's both delicious and meaningful. Imagine a place where the precision of AI meets the warmth of human interaction. Now that's what I call a perfect blend. A harmonious fusion of the best of both worlds, ensuring every cup of coffee is a delightful experience.